This is a manifold that came off of this motor, which wasn't winterized. And as you can see, there's a crack right there. Here's the intake. As you can see, it cracked right there. And so we were really worried about these exhaust manifolds. So we filled it up with cleaning solution, and that has done the surface tension like water would. So we filled it completely up, and it's been sitting now for about 14 hours. And that's dry, and that's dry. But if you look at this one, it's wet. So we're going to dry it out and just make sure that see what happens. But on this one's dry, and that one is dry, and that one is dry. So that exhaust manifold's cracked somewhere inside. Something's wrong with it.